In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing options on this tablet. First of all, just open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Trust me, I tested it before recording. When you're ready, hit General Settings and then select Keyboard section over here. Now choose on-screen keyboard between default and physical one. Hit Gboard. And finally choose corrections and suggestions. Now you can manage all of those switchers by tapping on the switchers right next to them. Quick tip, if you want to manage autocorrection one, you can also tap on it on the left. And if you decided to enable it, try this one called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. I can assure you it will make using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!